going to play for us today, Malcolm?
Well, I'm not going to play anything today, but I'm going to talk about the talk that I'm going to give at Clojure D in Berlin. It's on the 29th of February. I've never been to Clojure D before, so I'm looking forward to that. And my talk's going to be on fun with JSON. And I found the last year I've really kind of got to grips with this wonderful new kind of language called JSON, which is used by everybody to transfer data, and it's really, really close to Clojure. I mean, it's nested lists and maps and lists, and the sort of thing that we use in Clojure every day. And amazingly, the whole world has adopted JSON as its language for exchanging data, and especially over the web, different organizations communicating, which turns out to be really important in international business. People are doing transactions all the time, and guess what? Most businesses are using HTTP. So JSON over HTTP just becomes just a really important thing for world global communication. As programmers, it's kind of important for us to make that communication efficient, performant, and secure. And the world has kind of gradually standardized on things that are making that easier. So things like the web API format, which used to be called Swagger, Open API, over the last 5-10 years has become so well established as a way of defining how you're going to talk, your protocol, your endpoints, how you can exchange information on the web. So wow, that's important. And then OpenID Connect, which is kind of a way that you can have a federated security model and authorization and authentication over the web. That's become really important too. So I think there's a lot of things that have matured over the last few years, and as Clojure developers, we ought to, be at the forefront of making it really easy to make these communication flows work. So I've been working on kind of web API libraries for about 10 years now, and longer before Clojure came out. And I'm really looking for ways to make it easier for people to write APIs. It's kind of still hard, and it should be really easy. And you'd have thought in the years that we've been working on web libraries, we should make it much easier than it is. But it's still hard. So it must be a hard problem. So I want to talk about JSON schema, and some of the things that we can do to make it easier to create web APIs.
Great. So you're going to play us a song now?
Yeah, I think I can.
I think you can make a song out of that.
Come with me to Berlin on the 29th of February. I'll be talking about my favorite topics like JSON and EDN and Clojure.
I love that it didn't rhyme.